All right, so I just picked up this blue golf cart. When I got it, they had this one there as well, and I just had to have it. 6-seater. Look at that. You know how many solar panels I can get on this? It'll be awesome. It's going to be like this easy go. This thing's so great. Drive all over. So fun. I'm thinking I'm going to try to get 1,000 watts of panels on here. Anyways, when I got it, these batteries were low on water, so I added water to them. I pulse charged them. I had to jump them with 48 volts to get the charger to even recognize them. It only had 2 volts in this whole battery bank. It's up to 48 now, but it's weak. As soon as you hit the accelerator, they give out. Here's one of the signs that a battery's bad. As you can see, the side here is bulged out. That's a sign of a bad battery. They start bulging out. Yeah, when you go look at golf carts, it's very likely that they're out of water. I don't think I've found a golf cart yet that had water in the battery. That's the first thing you check. But I'm going to pull all these out, and I'm going to drop a 48-volt lithium battery in here. All right, we've got the batteries out. Put this board in here. See, it's just sitting here. Screwed these 2 boards on there to keep it from sliding. That just sits there. And now I'm going to set this Husky big battery in there. We'll give it a try. So I've got it all hooked up now. This is, I put some screws down here to hold it. So it can't slide back and forth. It could lift up if it really went fast. Pretty simple. One positive, one positive. This one is for the battery charger. Hooks in. On the negative side, it's just got one lead coming in, and the negative off the battery charger is going down here to the frame and coming through. So that's all it takes. This battery is actually, I've got it plugged in, testing, and the charger is working. It's charging. This battery is already at 97, 98%, something like that. And it is charging at 4.8 amps right now. So that works. So just as I suspected, pretty sure these are just for my 12 volt stuff, which is funny because they only had to hook to one battery, so they only had 8 volts going in, so the headlight was really dim. So I'll have to try to put a drop down converter, or maybe that's a drop down converter down there possibly. Play with it a little more, but that's how easy it is to just drop a lithium battery in here. This Husky big battery has been sitting for 3 months without being charged all winter, and it's still charged all the way up. That is pretty darn cool. But it is 100 amp hour at 52 volts. It's self-heating too, so this is a good wintertime battery as well. But look at this. There's all your spare parts. All right, let's see if this thing will work. Turn the key on, forward and reverse switch. Put that forward. Hit the accelerator. Ooh, wow. She's alive. All right, we'll drive this around for a while. Here we go. It's actually got pretty good pep. Moves along pretty good. Well, it starts out good, but I mean, this is your full speed. But as far as climbing and everything, it climbs pretty good. I've been driving around for a while. We filled it clear full of people. We had 6 people in here, cruising along, went up some hills and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun cart. We get the solar on here, it's gonna be the power wagon. Back it up. It has a silly little buzzer in here that it doesn't pulse, it just has a zzz. But here we go, up, we climb. All right, well that was fun. This is a pretty fun cart. Now, unfortunately I can't keep driving this. It's gonna be parked for a minute because I gotta take the battery out of here and put it in this club car. Now this is the 91 club car, and we just got done pulling out the V-Glide and everything, and we switched it to solid state. So you should check out that video. It's gonna be awesome. And we also have another channel we just uploaded called Solar Powered Adventure, and we take all of our solar powered equipment, vehicles, whatever we have, and we drive them all out on the desert and we film it. It's a lot of fun. Check that channel out. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you all in the next video.